Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the window tool. So here you can see this one is our window. So in the architecture tab you can see this one is our window. So I will just click on this window and you can see currently window is not showing on the screen. See, once I just bring my this arrow near the wall, then you can see then you can just able to see the window, right? If I just bring my mouse again away from the wall, so it is not showing. Once I bring my mouse near to the wall, then you can see the window, right? So basically, for the door and window, you basically require any hot surface on which you can just place. Then only these tools are visible. As of now, you can see when I just put my mouse outside near the external wall, then it will place the window toward the outside, right? You can see if I just bring my mouse toward the internal surface, if I just now click, see the window is placed near in the on the inside wall. So once you just place your window and now you just wanted to flip the direction, so you can do this also. So first I will just exit from the command. So to exit from the command, I will press two types of escape button, right? So I just exit from the command. Now I will show you if I just wanted to flip the direction, then either I can just click on this flip button. See on the screen, you can see this one is your flip button. I will just click here and it will move, right? And here, see this one flip button. With the help of this, you can just move. You can also flip this window direction just by pressing the space bar on your keyboard, right? See, if I just press the space bar on my keyboard, it will rotating, right? See, you can see. So in this way, you can just flip the direction of this window. Now let me show you from the 3D view. I will just select the south side and here you can see the windows. So now we will see about the property palette. So this one is our property palette window. So I just selected this window and the Windows property is now open. You can see it here. So here you can see here is a constraint. So we have total two constraints. One is of level and another one is of seal height. So first I will explain you what is mean by seal height. This one, and you can see here is a head height, this one, right? This one is a head height and this one is a seal height. So first I will explain. So you can see here from the floor finish till the bottom of the window, this height is known as seal height. From the floor finish level till the top of the window, this height is known as the head height. Now let's see the application of this sail height and head height. So currently you can see this 915 and this 915. See here is a 915 and this one is also 915 indicating the sail height. So now I just wanted to increase this sail height. Right, currently this sail height is 915. So if I just increase this sail height from the floor finish level, then this head height will also get updated because this head height and sail height is related to each other. Just I shown to you here. See, if just I increase the sail height, then head height will also increase. Right. So now let me show you. I will make the sail height as a 1500. So once I click on this apply button, this head height will also get affected, right? So let me click on this apply. So you can see this window has moved with respect to this seal height, and you can see this head height also get updated with respect to this seal height. So you can see the window is currently at level 1. See here, this is showing the our window is currently at level 1. So we can shift this to a different level. See, we have level 2, level 5, and level 6. So let me shift it on the level 2. I will click here and click on the apply. See, your window just moved to the level 2. So if I just click on this window and if I just click on the level 2, just click on the apply. So you can see your window is now moved to the level 2, right? So basically, in this way, you can just shift your level and your uh, sill height and the head height will also get transferred to that particular level, what we have put for this level, right? So now let's see how to load the family. So from here you can see here is a load family button. You just need to click here and from here I will go to window. See here is a window. I will click here and from here you can see the numbers of window is here. You can just select anyone and just click on the open. See the window is now here. You can just place. See, so if you just click on this drop down, so you can see we have total two types of this one was version by default, right? And this one we have just added. So we can just added more numbers of doors, basically windows here. See, if I just click here now, if I just click on this drop down, so you can see in our list we have total three numbers of windows. So in this way we can just add the numbers of window to this list.